In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club unable to place an order. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're using a mobile device, or restart your router if you're on a Wi-Fi. Connection can interrupt the checkout process and prevent your order from being submitted. Next up, verify your Sam's Club membership. Make sure your Sam's Club membership is active and associated with your account. If your membership has expired, renew it before attempting to place your order again. Next, confirm that your payment method is valid and up to date. Check your card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and available funds. If your payment is declined, try using a different accepted payment method. Next up, verify your shipping address. Ensure your shipping address is entered correctly and that the items in your cart are eligible for delivery to your location. An incorrect or unsupported address can prevent your order from being processed. Next up, check for app update or the browser update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for Sam's Club. If you see the option of update, click on it. Next, remove and re-add items to your cart. Sometimes a specific item in your shopping cart may cause the order to fail. Remove the item, refresh your cart, and add it back before attempting checkout again. If an item is out of stock, consider removing it and completing your purchase with the remaining items. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, you can contact Sam's Club member support. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.